truth is that it started from my why. Like, why am I in the industry? Why am I on TV? Why am I known? Why am I popular? Is it because I want to be a celebrity? It's not because of that. The reason why I'm in this business is because we are constantly providing a platform for women to express themselves, to show that there are options, show that the way we see things is not the only way of doing things, that there are other people that see things from different perspectives. And doesn't mean they're all wrong, they're all different, but they are all right in their own ways, and we can then begin to choose which we believe we align with. So that's why we're doing this. And if I become known as a result of